Stop for just a moment. This is not another cliché affirmation video. This is the truth no one tells you. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be consistent. You don't need to be spiritual enough. Even one simple question, at any random moment of your day, can begin to reprogram your mind. Most people know affirmations. I am rich. I am confident. I am loved. But your brain often rejects those statements. It whispers back, no, you're not. Affirmations are different. They are not statements. They are questions. When you ask, why am I becoming more confident every day? Your brain cannot ignore the question. It starts looking for answers. It searches for proof. It opens new mental doors. That's why affirmations are powerful. They work with your brain, not against it. And here's the best part. They are simple. They are accessible. And they work even if you don't stick to a perfect routine. You don't need to repeat them for hours. You don't need a morning ritual, candles or music. Affirmations are like seeds. Even if you drop a single seed, something still begins to grow. Think about this. When you're cooking, you suddenly think, why do I feel lighter today? That one question plants a seed. When you're on the bus whispering to yourself, why do the right opportunities keep finding me? That single question waters another seed. Even when you forget, your subconscious doesn't. It continues searching, quietly in the background. That's why even people who fail at consistency see results. Here's the science. The human brain hates unanswered questions. If I ask you, why is the sky blue? Your mind instantly wants an explanation. The same happens with affirmations. When you ask, why am I attracting abundance so easily? Your subconscious begins scanning your life for evidence. It notices the job opportunity you ignored yesterday. It remembers the compliment you received. It highlights the small win you almost overlooked. This is called the law of attention. What you focus on expands. Even skeptics feel the shift. Because your brain is designed to search, affirmations simply give it the right questions to search for. For love, why do I feel more loved each day? For money, why do financial opportunities keep showing up for me? For health, why is my body healing faster and stronger? For confidence, why do I trust myself more every single day? The key is not to overwhelm yourself. Choose one or two affirmations, ones that truly resonate, ones that make you curious, because curiosity opens the door. There are no rules. Say them out loud or silently. Write them down or don't. Repeat them often or only when you remember. They work when you're serious. They also work when you're playful. You don't have to believe them right away. Belief comes later. The question itself is enough. Your mind doesn't need permission. It just needs direction. Affirmations are not about forcing. They're about asking. Asking opens the door. It is not about perfection. It is about starting. It is not about intensity. It is about curiosity. Affirmations transform every question into a new reality. Even without a plan. Even without a schedule. Even without consistency. Your mind is always listening. Always searching. Always answering the questions you feed it. So if you thought you weren't good enough at this, stop doubting. Affirmations are for everyone. For you. For this moment. And maybe your first question is this: why does this work so quickly for me? Stay with me for more truths, for more power, For more ways to unlock your strongest mind, subscribe now, because your next breakthrough may be just one question away.